Hey everyone, this is Pastor Vlad, and I have a building update for you. As you probably already see, is that our framing is almost done, our parking is almost done, plumbing is almost done, as well as electrical is almost done. We have come to a time right now where we are getting ready to start installing air conditioning, HVAc. And so we want to ask you to partner with us. I'm standing on the top of the roof because that's where the air conditioning is going to be. Air conditioning is about $1 million and $950,000 that we are believing to raise. We're already halfway there. And so would you help us to go to the finish line for the air conditioning? You know, we want to keep the place hot when it's cold and keep the place cold when it's hot. This is going to reach thousands of people. This will be a hub for students, for a school, as well as for people to become believers and believers to become disciple makers. So I want to invite you to partner with us for this portion of this construction by giving toward the HVAC campaign so that we can finish it for the glory of God. And I can't wait when we all gather together for the glory of God and start celebrating at what God does at this building.